This is the performance summary for the weekly reversion strategy for the week ending October 3rd. Let's start by inputting the current balance in the account. So the account was down a little bit last week, down $255, which is a negative 0.8% return. And these were the 5 positions held. The first one was AVGO, which is Broadcom. That one was up 0.7%. And this is how the trade looked. Weekly reversion buys dips. And so Broadcom had a bit of a dip in the recent past. So it bought here on the Monday and sold here on the Friday for a small gain. Next one is EMR, which is Emerson. That one was the best trade of the week, up 4%. And this is how that one looked. It bought on this dip here and made money over the week. Third one is Meta, worst trade of the week, down 5%. And so Meta had a dip in the prior week and it kept going down this past week. Next one was Oracle, where it was up a little, 0.5%. Here's the dip, and here is the trade. And the last one is AT&T, down 4.2%. And it was weak coming into last week, and this is what happened during the week. Let's input the latest balance into the cumulative tab here. So weekly reversion went live at the start of June of 2024. And since then, the yellow line here is the cumulative equity curve of weekly reversion, the current version of the strategy. And the thin gray line shows the actual account gain, which includes the current version and the previous version of the algorithm. And let's also see how it looks over the long term, going back to 1994. So going back to 94, weekly reversion produces an annualized return of 19.8% compared to the S&P 500, which is 8.8%. And month-to-date September weekly reversion is down 0.1%, and that puts it at positive 19.1% year-to-date for 2025. And this is the back-tested equity curve of the strategy. Purple line is weekly reversion, and gray line is the S&P 500 benchmark. So that is the performance summary for weekly reversion for week ending October 3rd. If you'd like to learn some more about how the strategy works, or you'd like to sign up for my Signal service, please visit my website at returnstream.com. Link is below. Thank you.